tried so many recipes, but the result was always... Then I discovered lupine beans. Man, it's a game changing. What a difference. We have developed the best keto pizza crust we have ever tasted. It's even kid approved. Grüezi and welcome back to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. My name is Karima. You might ask, why not lupine flour? I did try it before. It's not the same. I don't like the taste of lupine flour. I get my lupine beans from Migros. For the other products that I am using today, I will put the affiliate links down below from where you can buy them. This recipe makes 2 pizzas. You can either bake 2 pizzas in one go or make 1 pizza, storing the rest of the dough in the fridge or in the freezer. If you are new to our channel, I would love for you to subscribe to be a part of Keto Mountain. And as well, hit this notification bell so you don't miss what we are doing. So, before we get started, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's get started.
For our pizza crust, we will need 200 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of flaxseed flour, 200 grams of lupine beans, 40 grams of psyllium husk. Here I have 1 tablespoon active yeast, only for that nice bread flavor. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of avocado or olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 430 milliliters of lukewarm water. Let's start with our lupine beans. In a blender, put your lupine beans and the water and mix well until smooth, and put it in the side. In a food processor, combine the dry ingredients: almond flour, flaxseed flour, psyllium husk powder, the dry yeast, garlic powder, oregano, and the salt. Mix well. I will put the exact recipe down below. Make sure everything is well combined, then add your apple cider vinegar, avocado or olive oil, and your lupine water mix. Now you want to mix well until you get a nice dough. Lay down parchment paper and get your dough. Here I am trying to make a ball so I can cut it easily into pieces. Like I said before, if you don't use the second pizza crust the same day, you can put it in the fridge for later or freeze it. Important, wrap your pizza dough, the one that you will not use right away, in a plastic wrap and leave it on the side for later. Here we need to form our pizza crust. Between two pieces of parchment paper, roll out the pizza crust with a rolling pin. I am trying to get it as round as possible. You can finish it with your fingers if it's necessary. Transfer your pizza crust to a tray. Then bake in your preheated oven for 15 minutes. At this point, you want to top your pizza with anything that you like. For me, I am using today pizza tomato sauce. I have here sauteed shrimp and spinach with a lot of garlic, yum, and mozzarella. Then you want to bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Ta-da! The best keto pizza is done. Enjoy! I hope you will try this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you next Thursday at the same time with a new recipe.